Okay, seventh grade IXL B6, compare and order integers. This is JX8. Okay, compare the numbers, pick the correct sign, right? We have 5, question mark, and -8. So one thing to know always is that positive numbers are greater than negative numbers, always. And also, regarding the signs, the mouth always eats the greater number. So we're going to click this one right here. Okay. Let's skip up a level. I think we got that. All right, so 85, question mark, -5. So what I say, 85 is a positive number, and positive numbers are always greater than negative. So let's click that. All right, so 83 or 81, 83 is greater. Okay. All right, so with negatives though, the closer the number is to 0, the larger the number is. So -11 is closer to 0 than -28. So -11 is larger. Another way you can think about it is that negatives and positives are opposite. So the bigger negative number is actually smaller. So -28 as itself is a larger number than -11. 28 is bigger than 11 in other words, right? But the closer they are to 0, the larger they are. So which is closer, -23 or -25? Well, -23 is closer to 0, making it larger. Okay, now, once you get hit 65, looks like you have to order them. So least to greatest. So the greatest number is the one that's going to be closest to 0. And the smallest number is the one that's furthest away from 0. So that's going to be -75, -25, and -9. Okay, let's skip up a little bit. Okay, so we have more numbers once we hit the higher ranks here. So least to greatest, remember, this is clearly the largest, followed by 8, right? Sometimes it's easier to do the positive numbers first, and then the negative numbers. -2 is closer to 0, making it larger than -3, and that's going to be the order. Okay, let's jump up to 90 and see what we're dealing with here. Okay, so we're dealing with 5 numbers now. So let's start with our positive numbers. 53 is clearly the largest, right? 36, then 21. So those are the positive numbers in least to greatest, right? 21, 36, 53. Which of these is further away from 0? It's going to be -98. So we can keep it right there. So -98, -19, and so on and so forth. Let's do one more. So let's do our positive numbers. 46 is definitely the largest. Put that right there. Then we have 22. 22 is the other positive. It's going to go just below there. Now let's do our negative numbers. Which one is the furthest away from 0? This one, right? So -32 goes there, followed by -18 and -2 right smack in the middle.